Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make product manipulation in Photoshop. First things first, we have to add some background for our product. So I'm gonna add a gradient color. I'm just gonna select this and you can choose your own color, depends on what you like or depends on the product that you're going to use. So you have different selections right here. I'm just gonna choose a darker one. Now here I have to choose a lighter color. Now after that, you can now add your product. So it must be in transparent background so you don't have any issue. Now to add some effects, you can go to this option and then click the drop shadow. Here you can edit the settings. You can adjust the angle, the opacity of the shadow to make it more realistic looking. So that's how you can basically do that. So if this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.